to take photos or control phone camera using the Huawei Watch Fit 4, first of all you'll have to install an application called Camera Opus on both devices, on your phone and on your smartwatch. So first of all, let's go into the Huawei Help application and let's real quick install this application on the device. So let's go into this Health application, go for devices and go into the Huawei Watch Fit 4. From here you have to scroll down and go into the app gallery, and right here you will be able to find this application Camera Opus and simply press this button right here to install this application. While this application is installing, you can go back to home screen and go into the Google Play Store application, and right here you also have to search for this application Camera Opus and you can find it right here. Also install this application, and after the installation is complete you'll have to open the application on your phone, since this application is already ready on your device, on your smartwatch. There's no need to configure it furthermore. You only have to open this application on your phone. As you do this, you'll have to allow a couple of different permissions to use this for this application, to use the camera, microphone and some other stuff. And after that, as you can see, as I just opened this application on my phone, the application also launched on this watch right here. And from here you have this little preview, but it is very laggy. It's not so smooth, but here is the preview. It's pretty small, and there are a couple of different functions, but most of them are actually paid for. You can only take a picture. Let me just show you. You can take a picture, or you can record the video, for example, as you can see. Let's stop it real quick. And some of these other functions are actually paid for, so there's nothing much you can do using this application, but that is basically how you can take pictures using this phone camera or control, using this Huawei Watch Fit 4.